and push the button.
It is February the 27th, 2009. We're getting close to thinking about getting some electric trains in here, but until then we have some real lively steamed up engines back in here. Go ahead, trains. Look at those trains go. Make your own train sounds too.
And now we'll do the turning Y.
Wowee. Turning Y around the playhouse. Alright, and hey, here's a new updated view of our schoolroom. I got a couple extra shelving basket units from my old teaching days that have been living in my attic, so now we have more of a shelving area. We got a computer down here. Got my nice reading corner and bookshelves, desk, work area, and of course our work table, which is covered with school stuff and laundry. Funny thing, and once again, back to these trainiacs.
You can listen to me make our own sounds without the train saying, woo, woo, clickety-clack, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. It's so weird.
No, there's not.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, ding-dong, ding-dong, clickety-clack, 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 woo, woo.
Those engines are pretty steamed up, but we better call this thing a night so we can send it.
Very slow.
Say bye-bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.